Uh, exercise 6B. Yes, mute the microphone. Exercise 6B we have started. Yes. Now question number 4 and question number 5. I am giving homework. Third, 4, 5. Third was also homework. So third, 4. See, same type of question is there. Then I have to give homework. Because you have to complete the portion also. So third, fourth, fifth are homework. Now sixth I will do. Sixth one. So solve the following system of linear equation by equating coefficient. So first we have to get the equation 1 and 2. Board is not clear? Now it is clear? Okay. Now let us start. Now third, fourth, fifth are homework. Now question number 6. X minus y by 6. First we get two equations. X minus y upon 6 is equal to 2 into 4 minus 6. So their denominator is 1. So I will cross multiply. We cross multiply. So cross multiply you will get. No. You have to cross multiply first. So x minus y is 6 into, or if you want you can do one more step. X minus y upon 6, that is 8 minus x. 8 minus 2x. Chalo. 8 minus 2x upon 1. 2 into 4, 8 minus 2x upon 1. Now you cross multiply. You will get x minus y. X minus y is 6 into 8 minus 2x. So x minus y is equal to 6 into 8, 48 minus 12x. Now this 12x I will take it on the other side. So x plus 12x minus y is equal to 48. So you will get 13x minus y is equal to 48. And this is my equation number 1. So first we have to write the equations 1 and 2. Then second, 2x plus y is 3 into x minus 4. That we have to simplify. So 2x plus y is equal to 3 into x plus x minus 4. Now we simplify. Open the bracket. So 2x plus y is equal to 3 into x, 3x minus 12. 3. Y on the right hand side you can take, but I have to write the equation in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c is equal to c1. X and y we want on the left side. So x and y we want on the left. So 3x minus 12. Now we take 3x on this side. So 2x. नहीं आ रहा है. But in the mobile it is coming clear. Yes, it is coming. Yes. So 2x minus 3x is minus x. So minus x plus y is equal to minus 12. And this is my equation number 2. minus you sign you can cut, but then it become it will become minus 5. It will become minus 5, no problem. You cannot cut. Cut does not mean you have to multiply by minus 1 on both the sides. You have to multiply by minus 1 on both the sides. It clear? Now solve 1 and 2. Solve equations 1 and 2. Solve equations 1 and 2. Solve equations 1 and 2. Solve equation 1 and 2. How it is not coming clear? नहीं आ रहा है. Let's see. Because in the mobile it is coming very much clear. Mobile it is very much clear. No. See, no. This side, see, board is coming clear. No, that is different. Now solve this 1 and 2. Solve equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 is 13x. Which part is not clear? See, it is very much clear. It is very much clear. Black हो गया, but you are able to see that. You are not able to see. You are able to see, no? Solve equation 1 and 2. चलो. Solve equation 1 and 2. See, it is very much clear. You see the adjustment of your phone. You see the adjustment of your phone. You see the adjustment of your phone, because in the mobile it is coming very much clear. I am able to see that it is very much clear for all of you. Now solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2 by equating coefficient. So 1 is 13x minus y is equal to 48. Equation number 1. Then minus x plus y is equal to 12. Minus 12 is equation number 2. Now we have to equate the coefficient. Either we have to make x coefficient equal or y coefficient equal. Now what is coefficient? Wait. What is coefficient of y? 1. Yes. Equation 1, coefficient of y is 1. Equation 2, coefficient of y is 1. So coefficient of y are already equal. So what I will do? And they have opposite sign. One is having minus, other is having plus. So whenever they have opposite sign, what we do? We add. So we write equation 1. We write equation 1 plus equation 2. Y is having same coefficient 1, 1, and they have opposite sign minus plus. So whenever they have opposite sign, we add. So equation 1 plus equation 2 we directly add. So 13x minus x is 12x. 13 minus 1, 12. Minus y plus y is 0. 48 minus 12. 48 minus 12 is 36. So 12x is equal to 36. So x is equal to 36 upon 12. So x is equal to 3. Now this value of x you will put either in equation 1 or equation 2. So put x is equal to 3 in equation 1. Put x is equal to 3 in equation 1 and get the value of y. Put x is equal to, yes, put x is equal to 3 in equation 1. Put x is equal to 3 in equation 1 and get the value of y. Get the value of y. So 13x, x is 3, so 13 into 3 minus y is equal to 48. So 39 minus y is equal to 48. So 39 minus 48 is equal to y. We take y on the other side plus y. So what is that answer? Minus 9 is equal to y. So y is equal to minus 9. So yes, you can take. Y is equal to minus 9. So we write the answer. X is 3. Answer is x is 3 and y is minus 9. So this complete question number 6. In problem of this type will be asked for 3 to 4 marks in the board exam. Yes. So same way you will solve 7th. Yes. Here. Whenever wait. Whenever we have opposite sign, we add, and same sign we subtract. Plus or minus we subtract, and change the sign of second equation. Now exercise number 7 and exercise number 8 are homework. Wait. I had see then exercise number 9 and exercise number 10 are also homework. See, my dear, you have to practice. No, you understand the method. No, you understand the method. Then you have to practice. Because how many problem I will solve, finally you have to get acquainted with. Because equation coefficient of y is 1 in both the case. Equation 1, what is coefficient of y? 1. Equation 2, what is coefficient of y? 1. So 9, 10, 7, 8, 9, 10 are homework. Now let me see. Yes. Yes, right. 11. No, it will be there for 1 second. Now it is clear. 11. See here, I am doing the complicated one and easy one also, because one method, if there are 30 problems, then if you understand the method, you have to practice. If you don't practice, no. If now 11th one, you mark important. 11th one, if 2x plus y is 23, 2x plus y is 23 and 4x minus y is 19, find the value of x minus 3y and 5y minus 2x. Find the value of x minus 3y and 5y minus 2x. So let us solve first. So first you have to solve 1 and 2. Whatever value of x and y you will get, that you have to substitute in these two and get the answer. So first it is given 2x plus y is equal to 23. That I will consider my equation number 1. Then 4x minus y is equal to 19. That we consider as my equation number 2. Now by equating coefficient, either you have to make coefficient of x equal or coefficient of y equal. Let us see the coefficient of y in what is coefficient of y in equation 1? 1. Coefficient of y in equation 1? 1. So coefficients are equal. Coefficients are equal and they have opposite sign, plus and minus. So I will add equation 1 and 2. So we write equation 1. If you take x, then equation 1 you have to multiply by 4, and equation 2 you have to multiply by 2, and then they have same sign, plus plus, so you have to subtract equation 2. You have to subtract equation 2. Now here coefficients are equal and their signs are different, plus minus. So equation 1 plus equation 2. Coefficient of y are equal. So I will add equation 1 and 2. Now we add equation 1 and 2. Yes, simplify this. Tell me the answer. Simplify this. Yes. X is equal to 7. Get the value of y. Yes. So we add 4 plus 2, 6x. 6x plus 0 is equal to 42. 23 plus 19 is 42. So 6x is equal to 42. So x is equal to 7. Put the value of x in equation 1. Put x is equal to 7 in equation 1. Hi, 1 minute. Put, somebody is still sending the request. Now it is clear. Put x is equal to 7 in. Yes. Because what you are doing, that you have to explain, no? Put x is equal to 7 in equation 1. So 2 into x is 7. Plus y is 23. So 14 plus y is 23. So y is 23 minus 14. So y is equal to 9. So our answer is x is 7 and y is 9. Now we want to find the value of these two, x minus 3y and 5y minus 2x. In each I will put the value of x as 7 and y as 9 and find these two. Find these two. So now consider x minus 3y. Consider x minus 3y and put the value of x as 7 and y as 9. So x minus 3y, x is 7 and y is 9. Y is 9. So 7 minus 9 threes are 27. You have to multiply first. You cannot subtract 7 minus 3 first. So 7 minus 27 is minus. So the value of x minus 3y is minus. Now similarly we find the value of 5y minus 2x. 5y minus 2x. 5y minus 2x. So 5 into 9 minus 2 into x. X is 7. So 45 minus same. After finding the value of x and y, we have to find the value of x minus 3y. 7 2s are 14. Then 45 minus, put the both the value. Y is 9 and x is 7. So this is 31. So 5y minus 2x is 31. So in this, by equating coefficient method, first we have to find the value of x and y, and then we have to substitute the value of x and y to get the value of two equations. Now same type of problems is there. Question number 12. Question number 12. Same type. So exercise number 12. I am giving homework. Same way. Question number 12 homework. Now let us solve question number 30. Yes. Now question number 13, there are two problems and complicated expression is given, but use the proper, that we'll see, because see, only we have to simplify using the rule of mathematics and get the equation 1 and 2. Once you get the equation 1 and 2, you can solve easily by equating coefficient. So 13 first I am doing y plus 7 upon 5 is equal to 2y minus x upon 4 plus 3x minus 5 plus 3x minus 5. This is one equation given. Second is 7 minus 5x upon 2 plus 3 minus 4y upon 6 is equal to 5y minus 18. So you are given two equations. So our first job is to get the equation 1 and 2 by simplifying. So let us simplify first one. Y plus 7 upon 5 is equal to 2y minus x upon 4 plus 3x minus 5. Yes. Now see, 3x minus 5 means it is 3x minus 5 upon 1. Denominator is 1. So I will simplify right hand side. LCM of 4 and 1 is 4. So this part I will multiply and divide by 4. So right hand side, left hand side we keep as it is. Y plus 7 upon 5 is equal to 2y minus x upon 4. Then LCM is 4. 4 and 1 is 4. So 4 into 3x minus 5 upon 4 into 1, that is 4. 4 into 1, 4. So we simplify. First we simplify and get the equations 1 and 2. Get the equations 1 and 2. So y plus 7 upon 5. Y plus 7 upon 5, simplify that. Y plus 7 upon 5, y plus 7 upon 5 is equal to 2y minus x. Now I am doing directly. Denominator is same, 4, 4. So I can simplify numerator. 2y minus x plus 4 into 3, 12x plus into minus minus 4 into 5, 20. So I will write 12x plus 12x minus 20. All of you agree? Plus 12x, then plus into minus minus 20 upon 4. Whole divided by 4. So y plus 7 upon 5 is equal to, now let us simplify. Minus x plus 12 is 11x and 2y 11x plus 2y minus 20 upon 4. Now you have numerator, denominator, so I will cross multiply. Yes. Now we cross multiply. So you will get 4 is multiplied to this. So 4 into y plus 7 is equal to 5 into 11x plus 2y minus 20. Now let us simplify 4y plus 28. Open the bracket, 4 is multiplied to each term of the bracket. 5 into 11, 55x plus 5 into 2, 10y minus 20 into 5, 100. I will take y on this side. So 28, 100 on this side plus 100 is equal to 55x plus 10y minus 4y. Minus 4y. Yes, minus 4y. So 20 plus 100. 128 is equal to 55x plus 6y. Yes. 120. It is clear. 128 is equal to. You have to cross multiply, no? Cross multiply. No. See here. See. No. You can take LCM of 5 and 4 provided both are on the same side, no? If 5 and 4 is on the same side, if 4 is on the left side, then I can take LCM of 5 and 4. But 5 and 4, they are on the opposite other side. 5 is on left, 4 is on right. So I cannot take LCM of two number if they are on. Yes, we can cut 5 and 4 if they are getting cancelled. So 55x plus 6y is equal to 128 is my equation number 1. This part. Right side. Okay, this side. See, 2y minus x upon 4 plus 3x minus 5. We are simplifying this first equation. So 3x minus 5 upon 1. Now on right side, denominator we have 4 and 1. So I have to make denominator equal by taking LCM of 4 and 1 is 4. So this I will multiply by 4 numerator, denominator by 4. So 4 into 3x minus 5 upon 4 into 1 is 4. And then we open the bracket. What the answer? Now simplify second also. Get equations second. Simplify the second expression. And get the equation 2. So first you have to get the equation 1 and 2 before equating coefficient method. What is second part? 7 minus 5x upon 2 plus 3 minus 4y upon 6 is equal to 5y minus 18. Yes. So now on left side 2 and 6. So I will take LCM of 2 and 6 is 6. So we multiply and divide by 3. So 3 into 7 minus 5x upon 3 into 2 6 plus 3 minus 4y upon 6 is equal to 5y minus 18 upon 1. So this 3 into 7 21, 3 into 7 21 minus 15x plus 3 minus 4y upon 6 is equal to 5y minus 18 upon 1. So now simplify 21 plus 3 24 minus 15x minus 4y upon 6 is equal to 5y minus 18 upon 1. Now we cross multiply. So 24 minus 15x minus 4y into 1. So 24 minus 15x minus 4y into 1 is equal to 6 into 5y minus 18. Simplify that. Get the equation 2. Simplify and get the equation 2. Yes. So that will be 24 minus 15x minus 4y is equal to 6 into 5 30y minus 108. 6 into 18 is 108. Now I will take 15 on this side, so 24 plus 118, 108 is equal to 30y plus 15x plus 4y. I will take this two term on the other side. So 132 is equal to 15x plus 34y. 15x plus 34y. Just yes. Yes, you can keep x, but there x will be negative. So 15x plus 34y is 132. This is my equation number 2. Yes, equation. Yes. Answer will be coming same only. There will not be any fluctuation in the. See, if your calculation is correct, you are using the correct rule of mathematics, then answer will be correct. Now let us solve equation 1 and 2 by equating coefficient. Equating coefficient method, you have to solve equation 1 and 2. So equation 1, what was equation 1? Just tell me. Equation 1, 55x, then plus 6y, 128. Equation number 1, and 15x plus 34y is equal to 132 is my equation number 2. Now you have to solve equation 1 and 2 by equating coefficient method. Now let us cancel this y. What is coefficient of y there? Coefficient of y is 6. Coefficient of y is 34. So to make coefficient equal, I will multiply this equation 1 by 34 and this equation 2 by 6. And since they have same sign plus plus, I have to subtract. So I will multiply equation 1 by 34 because we want to make the coefficient of y equal. So this equation I will multiply by this coefficient of y, 34. So we write 34 into equation 1, then equation 2 we multiply by 6 into equation 2, and since they have same sign plus plus, I will write subtract. Minus means change the sign of second equation. Minus means change the sign of second equation. Now further part you can simplify. Yes. So multiply 34 into 55. Tell me the answer first. 34 into 55. Yes. Tell me the answer. 34 into 55. हाँ 1870 x 34 into 6 204y is equal to 34 into 128. 204 I have written. Now 34 into 128 multiply. 34 into 128. Four. Wait. Now multiply equation 2 by 6. 15 into 6. 90x. Wait. 34 into 6 is 204y is equal to 132 into 6 multiply. Now we have to subtract, so we write minus, change the sign, plus become minus, plus become minus, plus become minus. So 1870 minus 90. Simplify. Wait. 1780x plus 0 is equal to 4352 minus 792. 0. Three five six zero. So 1780 x is 3560. So x is 3560 upon 1780. Now this you can cancel 0 and this will be 2. Is it clear? This will be 2. So x is 2. X is 2. Put this value in equation 1. Put x is equal to 2 in equation 1. Put x is equal to 2 in equation 1. Simplify. You will get the value of y as 3. You will get the value of y as 3. So simplify. X is 2, y is 3. Yes. Just stop here. Bye. Do the second one. If you have time, do the second one at home. Yes, you can leave now. Just stop here. Yes. Bye. Yes. Put the value of x as 2 in equation 1. You will get the value of y as 3.